What's up, YouTube? This is Legend. I'm going to break down a couple beginner trader things that beginner traders need to know. I'm jumping into YouTube to help out some family and friends. If you do have any YouTube account, please like and share. Help out a single dad. That'd be great. Um, let's just jump right into it. It's gonna be short and sweet because not a lot of people like to watch long videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and break this down a little bit. Go ahead and book the NAS. Go ahead and book the VIX. VIX is the fear index. Go ahead and book the DXY dollar index, and go ahead and book Bitcoin. You need to have Bitcoin. It kind of shows you little things where the market's going. You also need to book QQQ. Definitely book QQQ. I'll break down a little bit of it. Go ahead and book Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. I want to show you a little bit of kind of secrets that I've learned over the years that most people don't even talk about. There's a lot of YouTube hypers out there that talk about the stock saying buy, 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 and then there's some that sell, but they don't explain why. Let me explain a little bit. I know this ain't gonna be perfect, so if you can check out some other videos I'm gonna be putting out and help me, you know, reach out to get more subscribers, it'd be great. Um, let's talk about the NAS. So here's the NAS. So see how we're in a bear market right now? When we get these bear rallies, it makes stocks go down. It's very simple. When this goes down, stocks go down, people panic. Not a lot of bear rallies happen, and when they do, it's a huge money maker. I know there's a lot of news. You probably watch a lot of news and they tell you, oh, worst time to buy. This is the best time to buy stocks. Let me show you why. So here's Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. I'm gonna flip through these really quick. I want you to see what I see. Do you see what I see? Same pattern almost. That's what a lot of people don't see, is that it's almost the same pattern like how the NAS is gonna do. Let's go to the daily chart. I'll go to the 5 minute. So market open on the 7th. See how we had a crash this morning? When we have crashes like that, it's mostly controlled by bigger stocks. So like Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Google. When we have these big stocks take a huge hit that day, the market will drop and pull down the lower stocks with it. That's just how it works. That's what I've noticed over the years, you know. So like when we have a bad day in the stock market, it's mostly because of these big stocks. And that's what a lot of people don't get. They're like, oh, why am my stock going down? Well, the news came out, they've been bought out by this company, but it still went down. Or, oh my God, they did this and did that. Stay away from the daily news. You don't want to watch the daily news unless if they're being bought out or something crazy, earnings, yeah, that affected on the daily news, but just try to stay away. Watch these big stocks and watch how they do. They all move together. So like let's look at Apple. Let's go to a 1 minute chart. Or actually, let's go to 5. So you see this morning on the 7th it crashed. That's Apple. Let's go to Tesla. Same way. On the 7th it crashed. Amazon, same way it crashed. Microsoft, same way it crashed. Google, same way it crashed. When these big stocks get moving together, that's what it does to the market. See? Crashed. That day was horrible. It was a bloody mess. I probably lost $1,000 that day. I know I shouldn't have got into it. I was hoping for a bounce in the Nas. I was hoping Tesla would jump up, but Tesla took the biggest hit that day. But I kind of want to point out that, I'll put out more videos to explain why and how. I'm just trying to make this more simple for my friends and family. Um, that's how the NAS works. You really need to book these other big companies with it to watch the NAS. Let's get into the VIX. The VIX is a fear index. You know, a lot of people don't book it or even watch it, which they really should. So let's go ahead and pull up the daily on the VIX. So in the VIX, it's a fear index. When this goes up, that means the market's probably going down. It means there's a lot of fear in the market. People are probably selling. You know, it's just bad when it starts to get 35, you should probably watch your stock daily. That's what I would do. But when this is going down, that means people are buying, people are, placing long, just long swing trades. That's honestly swing trading and the VIX work perfectly. If you're gonna, trade every week, once every 2 weeks, when this thing's at like right here, when this was at 38, it was probably a great time to buy stocks because when this pulls back, that means a lot of people are buying. It's, that's how a lot of people place their trades, honestly. So like right now, honestly, it's a great time to buy in the NAS because like since we're this high in the NAS, look where we are. Look how low we are. We're at the June lows. Honestly, I see a little bit more of a pullback. I think we're going to bounce down to here and then pull up throughout November and probably, start breaking up to close to new highs. But that's my opinion. It's not financial advice. That's just how it works. I'm just trying to hear to help people. But yeah, VIX is great to work with. You need to have the VIX dollar. What a lot of people don't understand about dollar is when the dollar goes up, market will go down that day. That's just how it works. You know, it's not good to have a strong dollar like this. It's bad for inflation. It's bad for everything. You know, when the dollar starts to come down, the market will start to go up. So always book your dollar. You know, ticker is DXY. Have it going. Also, I would really include Bitcoin. Um, a lot of people are like, oh, well, it doesn't look like the NAS. I know it doesn't, but let me show you something. See here on the 7th, when we're opening, see this big drop in Bitcoin? See how we fell for that day? Well, here is the 7th actually, but to the 8th. It's the same way with the NAS, honestly. It's just not the same layout. That's what a lot of people argue about. Oh, well, it's not the same layout. It's not exactly the same. Nothing's exactly the same. But something always pulls something in the stock market, and that's what people don't understand. When the market's doing bad, Bitcoin is going to do bad. When the market recovers in a couple of weeks, guarantee Bitcoin's going to go up to 30K. Guarantee it. It shows when this market, it has to recover. That's what a lot of people don't understand. The market controls Bitcoin. But let me go to QQQ. So same thing with Q. But I think it's 36 stocks put together, but it's mostly like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, Google. It's all them put together. Same way. See how this crashed on the 7th and it went down? Same way. Has the same pattern. Tesla, same layout. Apple, same layout. Microsoft, same layout. Now, I'm not saying, oh, bet your trade like this, like that, but I'm just trying to show you what a lot of YouTubers don't show. Is I'm trying to show you how they move together. You know, that's what a lot of people don't understand. Now, there's some, stocks like Apple can do good. Some of them can go green for the day, but, most of them move together. And that's the thing with how these stocks work. Tesla and Apple could do good, but Amazon, Microsoft, Google could do bad for the day. It just really depends where they are on support and resistance levels, especially gaps. If you don't know what gaps are, I'll put out a video so you can check it. Just look at my videos, you know, upcoming, and I'll explain gaps. And that's the thing. A lot of traders don't know what gaps are. You really need to look at it. Um, Pretty much that's the most basic thing that you need to do as a trader. This is just pretty much a basic tutorial to show you when you need to start. You know, honestly, I don't see a lot of videos like this on YouTube, so I'm just trying to, put out a helping hand. Um, I'm going to make another video about QQQQ and SQQQQ and TQQQ. I would highly suggest that if you're a swing trader, sorry, if you can, go to my video and probably put it out tomorrow or something. But honestly, if you're a swing trailer, jump into SQQQ. It's great. It's awesome. Look, 11% that day. That is awesome. Like, not a lot of stocks can do that besides Mara. But I like SQQQ on a downtrend because it's not options. You can actually bet against the market. So if the market's going down, like the market's going down, Same way with QQQQ. It has the same pattern pretty much, you know. But on SQQQ, if the market's going down, this goes up. It's inverted. But it's a 3-time leverage, so you need to know that. So it's 3 times the loss or 3 times the gain as QQQQ. So this went down 3.81%. So this went up times 3, but these also degrade in value over time. That's what a lot of people don't know about. But I would highly suggest, booking these if you can. As a trader, you can trade with other stocks. Just go ahead and book what I said and just watch it daily. That's the best thing as a trader. If you can watch these and just learn how they move, watch the VIX, watch the dollar, watch the NAS. That's the best thing you can do as a new trader. Thank you. I'm Legend. If you can give me a like and a subscribe and help out a single dad, that would be perfect. Thanks.